This is a 2019 Honda Pilot with the touring package. It is super clean inside and out. It's a non-smoker, very well maintained. It's got the pearl paint, the pearl white paint. You can see the two-tone rims. It's gloss black with a machined face. Has a backup camera. So the taillights look like they're flashing in the video. It's not in person, it's just a video thing. But they are LED. It's got the privacy glass from the factory in the rear, which basically is just tinted glass. But it does not have it on the front windows. Side mirrors have LED blinkers in them. White on the top, and then the bottom of the mirror is gloss black. This has the LED headlights, daytime running lights, and the fog lights are either LED or HID, but either way they are that nice crisp white color. These are 20-inch wheels, and they do have wheel locks, and the key is in the glove box. It is proximity entry on the front doors, so walk up to it and it unlocks. There's reverse parking sensors back here. They're integrated into the bumper there. We're going to go into the shade real fast. Alright, it has navigation that's built in. You got your backup camera, and you have 3 different views. So this is the ultra wide, standard, and straight down. This has rear entertainment, so you got your DVD here, and then all of the equipment is still in here. I don't think they ever used it. The batteries have never been installed. You have Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, AM, FM, and XM radio. This push button start. There's your dual zone climate control here for the front, and then you have your climate control for the rear, so 3 total. It does have heated seats. 12 volt and your USB. There's your key. It does have remote start and a power lift gate. So this is push button for the shifter. And here's your cup holders, and they are illuminated. You can see right now they're blue. They have the little blue glow with all the gloss black on the trim. Gloss black here. Everything, all the trim is gloss black. There's your cruise control. Just under 20,000 miles. Full digital display there. You do have your eco mode. This is your lane departure mitigation. You can turn that on or off, and your forward collision alert. And I believe this also may have adaptive cruise control. I'll have to check that out. You might look in the comments. I'll put all the specs in there. You got your driver memory seat, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Power driver seat. You got the upgraded Pilot rubber floor mats. It's black leather. You have your sunroof. You got a locking fuel door, and there's your power lift gate button. It's a capless system. So your DVD system, it is a second row captains with a mini console, third row. In the back here you do have a 12-volt port, a bunch of storage here on the side, a little bit over there. Underneath here though, you do have a large cargo tray, and then your spare tire is underneath all of this. You have this mat, also a pilot mat. When the third rows are down, it covers the entire third row. I'll fold those seats down in just a second so you can see that. There's your second row captains, DVD player. Push that button and you see it slides forward. Super easy if you have your hands full. You also have a button on the back side too for the person in the third row. That seats 2 people. That little indentation right there is because they were folded down and the seat buckle kind of put a little indentation, but that will come out with just some heat and over time. You got your air vents there on the back for the third row here and here, so they can adjust their air a little bit. Super easy to pull the seat back. There's your climate control. It can be locked from the front so the kids can't get to it. And this second row is heated seats. Then down low you have your 115 volt outlet, 2 USBs, your headphones. If you don't want them to play over the speakers, you can plug them in there. And there's an HDMI port. And here's that console. And here the button on the back, same thing. You push it, everything slides forward really easy. So that's super nice if you have your hands full. Oh, and on the back here you do have your privacy shade. That's on both sides for the second row. So pull this little strap down, toss them forward. Helps if I just undo the Velcro. You can Velcro it back down, and then this is the cover I was saying. So if you don't use your third row, you can have a full coverage mat to protect everything. And push button powered lift gate. Passenger side is a power seat as well. There's your floor mats. You got a lot of storage options on the doors, cup holder. This is a full storage pocket so it doesn't pass through. Gloss black trim, locking glove box. There's your owner's manual inside. And then here is the key for your wheel locks in a nice little pouch. This is probably as clean of a Honda as you're gonna get. The other owner definitely took care of it, you can tell. Very, very nice. These do fold up. You have this massive system in here for storing stuff. There's your remote, and in there you do have another 12 volt and an auxiliary port, and it is illuminated in here, so that's nice. Up top you do have your garage door openers built in. And this is an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your power sunroof, and then there's your link assist, or I think that's for the Honda's system for kind of like OnStar, I believe. There's your little sunglass holder slash mirror. Like I said, I'll put all the options in the comment section for all like the safety features and stuff like that too. But this should be a good amount of info here. All right, that's it. Thank you.